Have you ever spent 3 agonizing days putting together a presentation only to realize that you still need creative visuals and study materials to go with it? And a secret weapon that does exactly that. All the links will be pinned at the top of the video description. Now we are checking out Oreate today. First things first, we're going to log in, check out the UI, and we're going to show you how cool that some of these AI features really are. Now we are logged into our account here, and first thing straight away, I just love how easy this user interface is to digest. If we have a look on the left side of here, you've got a nice bright orange new project button, which we can click here, a chat history section, and also a my documents section. So I've got all that information there on previous web pages, slides, documents that we did create, as well as the chat history through here, which is nice to see as well. We've also got some different features, AI videos and designs, but lots of different options here which you can go ahead and apply. Oreate AI is a professional and also versatile content creation tool. It is designed to streamline tasks such as creating demonstrations, researching, and also generating images. It addresses the challenges of tedious formatting, as well as unprofessional outputs, empowering users to create polished, ready results effortlessly. Now I'd like to show you folks the AI presentation feature. So here we've got Slides, Agent AI Presentation, General Writer, AI Tutor, AI Image, AI Design, and a More section here. You can attach a document as well as pop in a prompt here. Let's go ahead and click on this one, AI Presentation Maker. Now we're going to put in a simple prompt right here, which I've already organized. Create a professional 10-slide presentation on the impact of AI in modern e-commerce. So we're going to go away. We can say 10 to 15 slides for the slide count in English. That's all ready to go. And let's hit generate right now and have a look at Oreate AI go to work here. All right, wow, that virtually came through in, I think, about 3 seconds. That was quite astonishing. The presentation title, The Impact of Artificial Intelligence in Modern E-commerce. So we've got an outline here. We won't monologue the whole thing, but we'll just show you briefly. The first heading is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and E-commerce, definition of AI, overview of AI. Then we've got a key AI applications in e-commerce and challenge and future trends. Wow, that is quite interesting. The whole presentation can be done in probably about 30 seconds on Oreate AI. All right, so now let's go ahead and generate the presentation and have a bit of a look so you can actually select the template that you want to choose here. I think this middle one's pretty good. Let's go ahead and generate and see what Oreate AI can come up with. Nice, wow, have a look at this. And that was, again, very, very fast. So we got the headings there, the outline that came through in just a few seconds, and the actual slides themselves, less than 30 seconds. This is getting banged out. Have a look at this, the impact of AI in modern e-commerce, what we discussed before, the content section, really cool. Look at this, introduction to AI. Have a look at that. Importance of AI in digital transformation, personalized shopping experiences. This is pretty good. And what's really cool is you can actually jump in here and actually modify things. For example, if we didn't like that section there, we could just hit backspace, okay? Or for example, maybe we just wanted to change the color on this one here. We could go ahead and maybe change that to red. You can still go in and modify. This just creates a slide. So it really does just use its AI to search for information and create professional style slides that really do support export and editing. Okay, now let's move on to the AI image generator. So here back on the main page, logged in, we're going to go to AI image. We've got a prompt ready to go here. We're using Nano Banana Pro, so highest level of AI gen software there. A sleek modern e-commerce product shot off a smartwatch on a minimalist podium with 4K resolution. You can also attach there if you want to. Let's go ahead and generate and see what the image generator comes up with. All right, pretty cool. So the image generation is here, and yeah, that's a pretty bang on smartwatch there. Looks like an Apple smartwatch, which is really cool. Now, just by this one image generation here, it's pretty clear that Oreate is able to essentially generate extremely professional, accurate looking AI generations, which are perfect for e-commerce, selling online products, perfect for marketing your online business. I mean, this is top tier and extremely accurate as well. Okay, now lastly, we are going to jump into AI Tutor. Let's go in and have a look. So essentially what this is about is turn anything boring into slides, flashcards, quizzes, and mind maps. Okay, so the prompt we have here is generate a detailed mind map and a 5-question flashcard set based on the uploaded research paper. Let's go ahead and hit generate. Wow, that actually came through really quickly. Your AI notes have been completed. Below are all the deliverable files, so you can download the file right here and have a look at this research paper analysis. Let's have a bit of a look. Attention is all you need. Transformer model, flashcard set, quotations, key mechanisms, architecture components, so it's all here. If we just scroll in a little bit there, zoom in, we can actually see training details, for example. Then it leads on to optimizer, regularization, label smoothing. Really nice. So it was able to actually pop out those flashcards in just a matter of a few seconds. So what it essentially is able to do is analyze abstract concepts and precisely extract key exam points, empowering in-depth learning and efficient mastery. What's also really special about Oreate AI is that it has an inbuilt editor, which allows for AI-assisted editing all within the platform. Another really important cool point is that it can also insert real-time literature citations from Google Scholar. This is really cool because most other tools actually get this data wrong by forging incorrect citations. Okay, so we are here. We are going to go into the AI essay writer segment right here. We're going to show you how this Google Scholar citation works. So first, again, I'm not telling you to do it, but hey, Oreate AI exists. Okay, so we're in the outline section here now, and as you can see, we've been given all the different chapters, and we can basically regenerate if we're not happy, but if we're good, we can basically go to the next step, and we can actually generate the essay. So as we can see here, creating a draft essay for you, this may take up to 10 minutes. Please wait patiently. Seems to be going through pretty quickly. That actually got completed in like less than a minute. It was super quick, and we can now go ahead and see the full essay. So have a look at this, here it is. Effects of AI, yep, it's all there. This is a thesis, abstract, intro. It's got keywords and stuff in there too. And it's got a little references section here. So this is what we're after here, the references. Okay, we're gonna actually test this in Google Scholar to see if these are actually legitimate. This article or this essay needs to be based off proper references. So for example, let's maybe take this top one. Okay, so what's great, I'll just plug this in here. Arumugam V and Garnimi, and in here it does come up with it there. Look, an artificial intelligence-based renewable energy prediction program for demand-side management in smart grids. Okay, so then basically we can go ahead and actually get that content. Now, for example, what we can actually do is we can actually copy that, paste it in Google Scholar directly. So this is what the AI has generated already. Let's go see if it checks out directly on Google Scholar, and it's there. Look at that. AI-based renewable energy prediction program for demand-side management in smart grid. So it's actually in Scholar. Bang, there's the article right there. The article's right there on Google Scholar. So again, just to show you, this is what the AI gave us in terms of the essay here itself. The references, we just put in the top reference there into the research segment there, and the top one that came up, you can hit get content, or but just to be 100% certain, I just wanted to do it the manual way by going over to Google Scholar. This is Google Scholar, as you can see. So really, wow, that's just fantastic technology for essay writing. Never seen anything even comparable. Stop wasting hours on manual formatting and design. Check out the link in the description to check out Oreate AI today and use the discount code to upgrade your workflow today.